So I'm gonna teach you some biting strengthening for your TMJ. And in general, we are really strong with biting. And usually the problem isn't strength, but it's more relaxation and getting our opening where it needs to be. And then maybe endurance, which you just practice with gradually, trying to chew for longer with foods and crunchier, chewier foods. But this can be a nice component to try to learn how to get a painful bite to be less painful. So I have some tongue depressors. You can pick them up at any local pharmacy or drugstore, CVS, Rite Aid, etc. They're fairly cheap for a decent box. And I have some patients that use them and then store them in a Ziploc bag and reuse them. I have some patients that are worried about risk of sickness or anything like that from their saliva sitting on something for so long and they toss them. So whatever you feel most comfortable with. So 3 tongue depressors is a good starting point. In general, we don't do this from a big position because usually we don't have to bite hard from those positions, but it's when we're really closing down that we have the issue. So you're gonna put them lengthwise with your molar and then just bite down. So typically with that, I'll do a couple things. I'll do 5-second holds at like a sub-maximal effort, or I'll steadily build starting at 50%, next bite 60%, next bite 70, 80, 90, working up to 100, trying to get that max bite to be pain-free. I won't force into any pain with that. All of our mouse and bites are a little different, so if 3 tongue depressors feels like too much, try 2 or 1. There are bite tools and chew tools that you can buy. Tongue depressors I find tend to work pretty well. For some people it's a little gaggy, so just kind of take your pick. But that can help really restore your bite. This isn't necessarily a long-term exercise. When you can bite 100% and it doesn't hurt you, then really you're using eating as your tool to strengthen. And again, typically in my experience, it's all those other exercises. And then in general, being strong through our upper body with balanced 6 pillars of health and everything that really makes the difference long term. But this can be a helpful tool in the short term. So hope that helps.